This video is an introduction to algebra, letters, expressions, and substitution, and is part of the Summarize Notes section of the Practice Book Study app. Okay, so algebra seems extra at first, but it's actually the opposite. It's a shortcut. Instead of writing maths rules for one specific number, we use a letter that stands in for any number. Same vibe as using a profile pic before someone knows your face. 3 words to know the difference between. 1. Expression. A mix of numbers, letters, and operations, like 3x plus 5. No equal sign. You can simplify it or plug numbers in, but you can't solve it. It's a recipe, not a dish. 2. Equation. An expression with an equal sign, like 3x plus 5 equals 20. Solve these to find the letter. Dish served. 3. Formula. A rule connecting variables, like a equals pi r squared, or v equals u plus at. Plug values in to find an unknown. 4. Substitution is the move. Swap the letter for a number, then evaluate. If v equals u plus at and u equals 5, a equals 2, and t equals 3, then v equals 5 plus 2 times 3, which equals 11. The golden rule is, always wrap negatives in brackets when substituting. Negative 3 squared is different from negative, open bracket, 3, close bracket, squared. Open bracket, negative 3, close bracket, squared, equals 9. But negative 3 squared equals negative 9. That tiny bracket is the difference between a tick and a cross. Like terms can be combined. 3a plus 5a equals 8a. Same letter, same power. But 3a and 5b can't be combined. Different letters. Neither can 3a and 5a squared. Same letter, different power. Stay in your lane. Let's go over a worked example real quick. Constructing and substituting into a formula. The cost, C, in dollars, of hiring a scooter is a fixed fee of $6 plus $2.50 per hour, H. Part A. Build the formula for C in terms of H. Part B. Find the cost of a 4-hour hire. Part C. If x equals negative 2, evaluate 5 minus 3x squared. Step 1. For Part A, spot the fixed bit, 6, and the per hour bit, $2.50 per hour, so 2.5 H. Stick them together. C equals 6 plus 2.5 H. Step 2. For Part B, substitute H equals 4. Don't rush. BODMAS. Multiply first, then add. C equals 6 plus 2.5 times 4 equals 6 plus 10 equals $16. Step 3. For Part C, bracket the negative before squaring. This is where marks get lost. 5 minus 3 times, open bracket, negative 2, close bracket, squared, equals 5 minus 3 times 4. Step 4. BODMAS again. Multiplication before subtraction. Equals 5 minus 12, which equals negative 7. That's the answer. For more practice questions, detailed notes, exam questions, and other subjects like physics and chemistry, head over to the link in the description below to download and practice for free. See you in the next video.